mapimbi tumbalile lila kukona kobalenje mapimbi watukula kapuma mukukonkola mwano kopyala watukula kapuma mukukonkola mwano kopyala.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are coming from. Guys, this is UMUKOYO in our Zambian language, and it is made of maize, and I don't know what tree they add on to make it so sour or something like sometimes it makes a person it's not this is African. Pure African drink, UMUKOYO, and it is made of maize, like I said. This is so sweet, so good. This, see, so beautiful. Now it's too bitter today. I've kept this for about 3 days in this shop. You can see. So guys, you can see I'm working today. Today is Sunday. I'm working. Why am I working today? It's because of the journey that I want to take. You know, I need to prepare the place. I need also to prepare how I'm going to move, and I cannot go without money. You know, I cannot go without money. My traveling videos needs money, a lot of money, transport, food, and you know, on the way you never know what really happens because it is a journey. So there might be anything that I might need. So I always take a little cash so for me to do those videos or the videos that you've been seeing on this channel. So, and the other thing is today I need to go and watch football. Today is Liverpool versus my team, Arsenal. So I'm going to the football house and I will show you, like, okay, this is where I'm going. You're going to see where we watch football here in Zambia. It is a place, you know, we've got televisions, we've got TVs at our places, beautiful TVs, some of them, but we decide to go to the same place to go and watch football because of the atmosphere. It's so amazing seeing that kind of atmosphere there. So this is just some little activities that I'm going to do, and also I'm going to make orders. Being Sunday, it doesn't mean I don't need to order. I need to go and order some stuff to the market and then come back, bring them back maybe somewhere around 15 p.m. Being Sunday, I need to knock off early, and then I go do some activities for myself, enjoy myself, live life for myself, you know. So it's just a beautiful day. I hope you're enjoying yours too. Yashan for the fire. Eh? Oh, kumienu. Na unakati ngumiyesu ni kai nenda njata muni.
Yungwa tamasiri.
Emkwai. Yeah, method of mafo.
Ngama tu by then.
Wilamba ekwesu nakukuli mfumu. Wilamba ekwesu nakukuli mfumu. Wilamba ekwesu nakukuli mfumu.
Okay, I'm ready to go.
Wilamba ekwesu
Ready to go and make some orders.
Balesa ni mfumu. Bamatiya ni mfumu. Batikola ni mfumu. Bankana ni mfumu. Bakalilele ni mfumu. Bamushiri ni mfumu. Shonseshi ni mfumu. Wilamba ekwesu nakukuli mfumu. Mwewa byanzi mpinji Afrika ya kulima. Mwewa byanzi mpinji Afrika ya kulima. Ababyesu mu Zambia bose barishibwiwe. Nomba kweho chino ichitupambishe. Bigatane bose kono kwesu kwilamba. Kwilamba ekwesu nakukuli mfumu. Ukawe tata, ukawe mayo, ukawe nkwaso, ukawe nkashira.
Okay guys, I'm tired. Just pick the case. Okay, I think I've done my orders. You can see I'm tired. I'm even sweating. So from this moment now, all I need is just to maybe stay a bit here, sell a bit, and then go to the football house, watch football, and then go back home. But my video is going to end at the football house because I don't have those lights where I can film at night. I only use this sunlight which is made by God. So this is the things that I'm up to today. So see you. Let me just untie the things that I've brought on my bicycle and tie them. So guys, when you look at the sky, you're going to see that the rainfall is about to fall, and this is when I'm going to the football house just to go and watch football. Let's see. So I want you to see the type of a football house, how it is and how we mingle there. So and one thing that you're going to see, or one thing that you're going to learn there, is that it's just a different atmosphere which is being used for football matches and for people to watch football. So a lot of them, what they do is they come from different places, different houses, just to come and watch football from the same
Apaka nwana lishiwa ndo mbakani.
Follow. So when you look at the houses here and the roads, you're going to learn that no car, no vehicle can pass from these kinds of roads that we have here. It's because of the demarcations and the way houses are being set up. This tells you to say no road can pass uh, in this compound or in these simple roads, because where you are passing, where you are going, there is no that good road. Let me say there are no roads, they're just sand roads, and the same sand roads, these are the same roads that we use for us to go to different kinds of places. So when you see here where I'm passing right now, it's not a road. There are two houses between, and then that's where I'm passing, and then you see, just see. So just some kind of different vibe where if you're passing somewhere, you're going somewhere, you need to use different houses and different sand roads for you to reach where you're going, and those are some of the shortcuts to go where you're going. Like right now, I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market to watch football, and I need to use this sand road for the shortcuts. You see? So this is the different kinds of moments and the different kinds of roads that we have here. This is Ndola, Zambia, guys. Mapalo area. Oh, let me say, not this area is not Mapalo. This area is the original Chipukusu. So this is where I am. So guys, where I'm coming from, this side behind me, there is a tarmac, and there is a station which is called what do they call? Okay, there is a station which is they are calling to say Pamalite. So that is the station, Pamalite. If anyone coming to this area called Chipukusu, there is a famous station, Pamalite, and at that station it is called Pamalite. In English, you can say electricity. So that simply means that the house there at the same station, it was the only house which had power here in Chipukusu. I'll show you the football house.
Everything's big. You can play little Kim and I can play big.
So guys, this is the new market where I am right now. This is where we come. Here in Chipukusu we've got two markets, which is the new market and the old market. So this is the new market that you're seeing here. This is the new market. This is where I'm going to spend my time here for today. As we were waiting for the football to start, we were just watching the preview. You see the interviews and everything on coaches. But before we start our game, Arsenal versus Liverpool, we're going to watch Chelsea versus Newcastle and West Ham versus Manchester United. This is African football house. This one here. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for staying glued to the channel, for watching the video until to this end. And I just want to say, please guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, click on the notification button there, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. I'll be here posting some African content, the language, the culture, everything that we do enjoy here in Africa. And today we are from enjoying football at African Football House. This is where we are right now. It's so packed.